What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Cooler, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now this sneaker I'm finna talk about today, man, is a sneaker that in my opinion is highly slept on. Just because of the silhouette in general, you know, not the colorway itself, because I'm pretty sure if the same colorway was on a Jordan 1 high, then it definitely would not be as slept on as it is. But since it's on the low, of course, lows don't really get that much love. Me personally, I'm guilty of it as well. I don't really give lows that much love unless it's a collab low or, you know, or OG colorway type of low. But this is an OG style low, so that is a plus. But that sneaker I'm talking about, man, without further ado, is the Air Jordan 1 Low Dark Powder Blue.
Hey, that nigga Caro made this.
Alright, y'all. You see the box, man. Once again, as always, nothing out of the ordinary, you know, nothing special about the box, just a plain old regular plain Jane Jordan 1 box, you know, all black box with the red Nike all over, you know, all over the upper, the size, you know, all over the box pretty much. Here's your, you know, your size tag, nothing out of the ordinary about that, your typical Jordan 1 size tag. But enough about the box, because I know y'all don't really care about boxes that much as I really don't. This is a special box. Let's get into this box right now. So off the bat, man, like I said, in hand, these sneakers, man, this sneaker in particular, bro, this is a cold colorway, like an ice cold colorway in my opinion. You know, not just because of the blue, but just because it's like just so raw, man. Like the way everything's blended together with the blue, the black, and the white. Like I'm a fan of this colorway. Now a lot of people are, you know, comparing it to the Travis Scott, you know, 1 Fragment lows. I can kind of see the comparison, but me personally, I don't really do too much comparing and contrasting. You know, a shoe is that's that shoe, that's this shoe. This is the you know, the Air Jordan 1, you know, the dark powder blue. I also like to call them the UNCs because it's kind of like a UNC vibe to it as well. Y'all can see like how the blue is on here, you know. But overall, man, this is a well put together shoe. Like I don't really see too many defects, no glue stains all over the place, like, you know, no stitching out of the ordinary. Like this is really a well put together shoe. I'm really a fan of like how the leather feels on here too. Now don't get me wrong, it's not like the softest leather, you know, on the Jordan, but it's a nice grade of leather in my opinion. I was kind of shocked when I got it out the box. I'm like, okay, this leather actually feels kind of somewhat soft. Now the shoe tree, in my opinion, I don't really know what all this. Oh, I didn't even know that. It's like the shoe tree, extra laces. See, something I didn't know. I didn't know this came with extra laces. So come with like a little special like lace box instead of a bag this time. So this is something new to me, something I didn't know about, so that's actually dope in my opinion as well. Extra like, now these blue laces kind of hard. I ain't gonna lie to you, I like these little, you know, the UNC or powder blue laces they got with these. So that's kind of hard. I didn't expect them to come in a box like this, but learn something new every day. But okay, so it's a normal shoe tree in the box. So I mean the shoe as well. So you see the normal Jordan 1 shoe tree, nothing out of the ordinary about that. But once again, man, like the way the colors on this shoe, like the outsole, how it's like got that nice powder blue or UNC blue, whatever you want to call it, real nice, man, real dope in my opinion. You know, of course, you know, it's not your typical Jordan 1 low, it's an OG style Jordan 1 low, so has a Nike Air on the tongue right here. Not, you know, I'm not for sure what, I think it's just a Jumpman or other Jordan 1 lows. Like I said, I don't really look into Jordan 1 lows that much unless it's something like this, like an OG style or a collab, which most collabs are OG style lows. The other shoe, nothing different, nothing out of the ordinary. Same thing, same deal, you know, nothing special, man. But once again, definitely a dope shoe. Like I said, soft leather on this shoe, man. You know, nothing. It's not gonna be your shattered backboard quality, but it's still a good quality leather in my opinion. Is it my favorite Jordan 1 low to release this year? Negative. Y'all already know my favorite Jordan 1 low is released this year, and that's the Reverse Mochas. You know, that's pretty much like the Jordan 1 low of the year. Like I said, it's the sneaker of the year because it's definitely a hyped up shoe. It's definitely a hype beast sneaker. So, and once again, I'm not no hype beast, but I do a dibble and dab in the hype kicks, you know, every now and then. But I also like my sleepers like these. These are major sleepers. Everybody who gets sneakers, man, I'm telling you, this is gonna be a slept on shoe. resale for these is not even over retail if I'm not mistaken. I think I seen the pair going for like $155. Now granted, retail is like $140 or whatever, I think is what it was, but you know, of course with tax and everything, you spending about like $150 something anyway, so you pretty much paying retail for resale. Like you're not really spending no extra crazy bread on these shoes like you know you would with like a Travis Scott 1 Low or another Jordan 1 Low that has like, you know, like OG tones to it. Like this shoe is slept on. It's gonna be a sleeper shoe. I don't really see this sneaker doing like, you know, crazy numbers resale wise. You know, I don't think later on down the line it's gonna touch like, you know, $300-$400. But you know, once again, I have been wrong about my predictions on certain sneakers in the past. So who knows what the future holds. Me personally, as of right now, I don't see these sneakers touching no crazy prices, but you never know nowadays. You know, especially when it comes to Jordan 1s. Like Jordan 1s, 1 minute would be real slept on, all of a sudden out of nowhere, prices just skyrocket. So this shoe could go from being $150, you know what I'm saying, retail or resale, to being $350, $450, you know what I'm saying, $550, who knows. Me personally, I don't think so. Once again, I don't believe it's gonna happen like that, but you never know. I mean, like I said, it's a clean colorway. This outsole, once again, is a beautiful outsole, nice black and blue, white all over the whole shoe. Like, in my personal opinion, this shoe, like every time I'm looking at it, I'm starting to get more and more love for it. Like at first I was like, yeah, I'm not really caring for these, I might just get rid of them. But after getting these in hand, man, like y'all can see it once again. After getting these in hand, I'm really like a major fan of these. Like they actually got some dope details to the shoe. I mean, when I say details, I mean just like color wise. Like it's actually like the color blocking they did with this they executed this perfectly. But I guarantee you, like I said, this is a Jordan 1 high. I promise you, this sneaker would go crazy. Y'all would go crazy over it. I know I'll go crazy over it. So I know a lot more people had the same idea as me. This is a Jordan 1 high. Not a lot of people are fans of the lows, but highs get so much love. But at the same time, highs are also starting to kind of dwindle down. If y'all seen in my one of my previous videos, I talked about like the hype for Jordan 1 highs dying down. But once again, man, I believe this shoe is a slept on, beautiful shoe, beautiful sneaker. Something that I'm kind of glad to have in my collection as of right now. So I don't know, we're gonna see what the future holds with these, what I'm gonna do with them, if I'm gonna keep them, or you know what I decide to do. But I honestly do, you know what I'm saying, I am a fan of these. You know, like the color, like the color blocking they did with it. So it grew on me. I can honestly say this sneaker grew on me. But as always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. Y'all constantly turning my channel up, man. We're constantly getting closer to my 1,000 subscriber mark, man. That goal I'm trying to reach. But of course, I'm not trying to stop at 1,000. You know, I gotta get, you know, 2,000, 3, 4, 5, so on and so on and so on. So with that being said, man, make sure y'all constantly liking this video, man. Liking all my videos when y'all watching, man. Constantly sharing my videos, subscribing to my channel, man. Smashing that like button. You gotta like smash it, man. Smash the notification bell, like beat that bell up, man. Beat the like button up, beat the bell up, beat the subscribe button up, beat it all up, man. But once again, y'all, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, man. And as always, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, y'all. Peace.